help teachers educate their students on the basics of 3D printing. 3D printer innovator SeeMeCNC has launched a complete 3D printing curriculum called SeeMeEducate. There is widespread consensus that widespread education is the key to unlocking the potentials of 3D printing, but many teachers simply don't have the time or resources to construct a 3D printing curriculum. Developed by Goshen High School teacher J.J. Johnson, SeeMeEducate is designed so that it can be used by beginners or more advanced classes and can be adapted to any size class in virtually any grade. Each lesson is easily adapted to suit any teacher's specific needs and is easy for both teachers and students to follow. This 3DP curriculum already includes complete lesson plans and print projects, but will constantly be added to and improved as more teachers use the plan and make their own adjustments. The curriculum is completely free and open source, although SeeMeCNC has released an educational package that includes an Orion Delta 3D printer, 3 spools of PLA, and 1 spool of ABS for $1,450. They've also set up an educators forum where teachers can look for new projects, lesson plans, objects to print, and tips and tricks from other teachers, educators, and industry experts. Let's take a look at this quick intro video produced by the folks at SeeMeCNC.
Created using Powtoon.